Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by locating voice recorder app and clicking on it. Then click on those three dots under voice recorder. Select settings and manage all of those before starting recording, like quality. When you're done, go back and start recording by hitting this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, click on bookmark on the right. And to listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on play button on the left. If you want to end and save your recording, click on square button on the right. Then name it however you want to. After selecting the perfect name, hit save in the pop-up. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. To make some changes, tap on this pen at the top right corner. Change wherever you want to. And hit save at the top right corner. Then click on one of those options. Save as new recording or replace original file. Lastly, if you wish to get rid of your recording, you can always hold it. Click on this bin at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!